Good morning, everyone. HelloNote is thrilled to introduce custom note templates, an exciting new feature. Much like dynamic forms, this tool lets you create personalized templates and apply them to your patients. Let's dive right into the tutorial. Begin by navigating to the Settings option on the left sidebar, selecting Custom Note Template. Once you're on the Note Template page, look for the blue button labeled Create New Custom Note Template in the upper right corner and click it. You can either enter the name of your note template right away or wait until after you've customized the form. To build your template, simply drag and drop components from the left panel onto the form. For this demonstration, I'll add a start date and an end date to the form. After placing these two date fields, I'll type in the name of the template and then click the Save button located at the bottom right corner. With our newly created note template in place, clicking the Actions button on the left will provide us with options to either edit or delete the template. Let's apply the template to a patient. On the Patients page, click the Notes tab in the upper right corner. When the case list appears, click the blue Add button to create a new case. Fill in the necessary information, then scroll down and click Save. With the new case added, click to open it, then go to the note list. Click Add New Note and select Add Evaluation Note from the drop-down menu. Once the note appears on the screen, you'll see the required input fields along with a new tab at the top called Custom Note. This is where we'll apply our customized note template for this particular patient. I'll pick the template I just created, which needs the service start and end dates. If another template is more suitable, I can switch to one that asks for the note's date and time, evaluation date, place of service, office location, referral reason, and any subjective complaints. After entering all the necessary information, make sure to click the Actions button at the bottom right corner to save the note as a draft or finalize it. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on creating a custom note template and using it with patients. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out.